client dropped off this old Dell computer and apparently it won't boot up. Let's see what happens when we click the power button. Nothing. Alright, guess we gotta crack her open.
It's a wee bit dusty in here.
This probably won't fix it, but at least I'll sneeze less.
Ooh, now she can breathe.
Still don't work though. So, what's the over-under that this new power supply fixes it? It boots up. The fans are turning!
She's alive!
Alright, she's all put back together, and she is nice and clean. Quick fun fact about the power supply that's in that computer. It's about 12 years old, so you might be wondering why I had one just casually laying around in my room, and... well, I don't know. Do you not? So do you have a PC that's not acting right? Well, if that's the case, then I'll be moved into my shop March 1st in Somerville, right off Main Street. Come by and see me.